So magandang araw kabola, sa video na ito pag-uusapan po natin, ibibigay ko na po kabola ang aking pong prediction para po dito sa quarterfinals ng 2024-2025 PBA Commissioner's Cup na pag-uusapan natin ang sasabalin sa pinakamainit po na basketball personality, Mr. Longbam. So may di pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Comments muna tayo ng mga fans. Anthony Lucky Alon, palit coach, new coach. All in na ba si Van Den? Mikey Williams Street, Enan Fornelius at Maganberg, sabi niya kabola. Malyari Mascarenas, pasyaro naman na Idol, thank you so much. Idol, yung mas sinasabi ko sa yung content will push through, sabi itong si Sir Malyari. Tingnan na lang natin, bossing. Julius Boreta, di alis sa TNT si Mikey, sinabi na niya na gusto maglaro ulit sa TNT. Totoo naman yan kabola, may statement na si Mikey Williams kabola in an interview na gusto niyang bumalik ng TNT, pero hindi pa naman yun nagiging reality. Pa-shoutout sir, sabi naman ni Sir Ronald Berbusidan. So bakit natin pag-uusapan si Mr. Longbam? Kasi meron po siyang post parang insinuating kabola na hindi na siya maglalaro sa PSL pala, sorry. Guys, thank you for supporting me in my journey as a pro. No goodbyes, let's see you again mga mamen, sabi niya kabola. Again, if you're familiar with Mr. Longbam kabola, this guy is rich. So kung ang trip lang naman niya kabola is to get the fame, he did it, diba? He managed to get it with these exploits kabola. So for me, he deserves a respect for that. But of course, what we saw kabola, hindi talaga kahit pang PSL lang yung level po ng laruan niya kabola. So malaking kawalan ba siya sa basketball ng Pilipinas? Of course, hindi kabola. Malaking kawalan ba siya sa PSL? In a way, hindi din kabola. Maraming sasabi, pinasigit niya yung PSL and etc. And really, at the end of the day, after those a little bit flares of entertainment, kabola, magsawa din naman tayong mag-orin to kabola. So for me, hindi siya making kawalan. Now, it's time to talk about our predictions, kabola. Unahin na natin, kabola, ang i-predict ito pong TNT versus Hong Kong Eastern. Of course, when Hong Kong Eastern entered po the PBA, kabola, as a guest team, of course, ang expectation talaga is kalabel po ng Dragons last year, kabola. And for me naman, they are almost there because issue lang talaga is marami pong silang ligang sinalihan, kabola. So with that, kabola, nagkaroon sila ng injury issues, kabola. Nagkaroon din po sila ng issues, kabola, sa scheduling. So now, can they win back-to-back against TNT to secure a spot in the semis? I will not bet on it. In short, I'm predicting TNT to win this series, kabola. Maybe they can win, Hong Kong can win the first game, pero to win the next game, kabola, with all their issues, kabola, it's highly doubtful in my eyes. So I will have TNT for this one. Next, tayong pag-uusapan natin, kabola. Ito pong Rain or Shine versus Converge, the battle of the independent teams. Nalungkot ka ba na nakita mo magtatapat sila? At the very least, di ba, alam natin na meron po isang independent team na makakarating po sa semifinals. It will be Rain or Shine or Converge. Converge arguably have the better roster, di ba? Talent-wise, di ba? Jordan Heading, I think, will be the best guard in this series, kabola. Of course, Converge will have the taller team. I think they also have the better import. So they are our choice. Are we going to choose them? No, I will still choose Rain or Shine. Just for me, na best of 3 series, very crucial pa rin yung experience dito, kabola, especially sa playoffs po ng PBA, and I will give that edge po sa Rain or Shine, kabola. So I will choose them for this series. Next natin, kabola, will be Ginebra versus Meralco. Maraming pag tinitignan mo kasi po yung bracket, ito siguro sasabihin mo pinakamahirap po na i-predict. Dahil nga po, alam naman natin kung gaano po kabigat yung rivalry ng dalawa. Pero if you think deeper about it, di ba, hindi pa kasi talaga fix yung injury issues po ng Meralco. Hindi pa nga sure kung 100% ba si Akil Mitchell, kabola, in the game 1 of this series. So, with all those questions, kabola, actually, medyo madali pong piliin ang Ginebra in this series. And I will choose them to win this one. And I think, yung Troy Rosario, kabola, hindi pa nakakatapot ng Meralco, kabola, nasa Ginebra. So, mga ganun pong question marks, kabola. And mas pinapadali po yung choice natin na which is Ginebra. Now for me, the hardest series to predict will be this one. Northport versus Magnolia. Yes, twice to beat advantage ang Northport. Pero alam naman natin, kabola, anong connection din ng Northport sa San Miguel Corporation. So, actually, madami mag-aabang dyan Marami nang mag-aabang na mag-bash, kabola, sa Northport the moment na matalo sila sa series na ito, kabola. Diba? Kasi abangan nila yan. Ang sasabihin, bigay yan, kabola. Overall, rooster comparison, kabola, I think malapit-lapit lang, pero I think lamang pa rin ng konti kabola ang Magnolia Hotshots. In terms of import, of course, lamang doon ang Northport kabola. Pero overall, I think style clash wise, I think lamang na lamang po ang Northport Batang Pier kabola. The size of their forward in the wing position and with Kadim Jack there kabola, I think overall style wise, I'll choose Northport and I can see them winning this, especially with their twice to beat advantage. Kababala, sino mga pinipiliin mo na makakarating po sa semis? Kami lang po sa baba.